Hey, Superphiz here. November 13th, 2020. Looking forward to talking about some EthStaker stuff with you. Uh, I share these videos because I want to help you become a part of the EthStaker community. And one of the ways I can do that is by just being myself and sitting down and telling you what's going on. And so a lot of times I'm interested in sharing big picture stuff. Today, I'm actually going to talk about some events that we have coming up. Two really exciting events. Uh, the big picture of this is you can go to reddit.com/r/EthStaker. We have two stickies there. The top sticky is welcome, and that is like all the resources we have. But the second sticky is our events calendar, and that's something I'd really love for people to check out. I keep up the events calendar on a pretty much daily basis. So if you're ever wondering what's going on in Ethereum, you can check out that events calendar. And even better, if you know about something going on, shoot me a message on Reddit or find me at Discord as Superphiz #1038 and let me know about it. But what I want to tell you about are first, the Launchpad Roundtable, and that's going to be November 16th, 2020. That is basically going to be a community call where we invite Launchpad users to tell us about their experience, what worked for them, what they struggled with, what they were curious about, because we want to encourage people to feel comfortable going to the Launchpad to make deposits into the Ethereum contract, the deposit contract. One of the things we're continuing to see is that our people, that's you, the home stakers, haven't really submitted deposits the way that at least I believed that you would. And that's okay. Like, I'm not, you do you, but I want to make sure that we're doing everything that we can to support other stakers in participating in staking. So that's going to be our staking roundtable. As a part of that, we're looking forward to having a guest from Ledger to talk about Ledger Nano X support for Ethereum 2 keys. Ethereum 2 keys. I don't know exactly what that's going to look like. Buddha is arranging it, and I'm sure it will work out fine. But we should learn a lot more about how Ethereum 2 keys will work with the Ledger Nano X, and I kind of bet we'll see a demo of that too. So that's all November 16th, 2020 at the Ethereum, the EthStaker Roundtable community call number 11, I believe. Maybe 10, 11, something like that. And so the next event after that I want to talk about is a workshop on Saturday, November 21st. That's going to be a bare metal to full installation of a validator client. And so essentially you will we'll start with bare metal. Really, we're asking for a sign up, and we're going to give some resources, some things we're going to ask you to do beforehand so that you're as ready as you can be. Many of you will already know those things and just want to participate or watch along. But we're going to install a validator client from bare metal. It will probably be, and that's going to be led by Nolan Lamboshi. Lamboshi, also known as Nolan, or one way or the other. So he'll be installing Ubuntu, securing it, and installing a staking client. We need to chat with Samara Sot because we're probably going to use his guides, and it would be great to have him on the call. So if you hear this, man, this is your test to know if you're watching. Reach out to him. And so that we're expecting that to last 3 or 4 hours. We know it's a long install process. So it's not a difficult install process. It just takes a while to get everything together. So maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours, however long it takes. That should be a really great event. We're going to be using the Primont network. It is the new testnet for the Beacon chain, and it will be launching shortly before that testnet. It might be a little possible that in the span of that testnet, because it's a brand new testnet, in the span of that workshop, that we could actually get live on the testnet. It really depends on how long the validator queue is. I'm just saying it's possible, and that's exciting. So we do these things because we want people to feel welcome in the EthStaker community. And if you're one of the senior users, if you're one of the people who kind of has this figured out, I'd love for you to reach out to us and say, how can I help? We would love more people with willing hands to come and join us in building this thing. You might know that the Ethereum Foundation has a grants program open right now where you can submit for a grant and get supported for doing this. But you can actually do that through EthStaker as well. You can join us even if you apply for a grant. We'll still support you. You can still work under our umbrella. We'd love to have whatever ideas you have so that we can grow this staking community together. With that said, we're actually looking for someone who's interested in hosting our trivia, which I think is going to be maybe bi-monthly or every 8 weeks. Not actually hosting, but doing the organizational setup. And you're welcome to join us as a host. Anyway, if you're interested in that, or if you're interested in contributing in any other way, shoot me a message. We'd love to have you. I'll stop talking. Have a great day. I'm Superphiz. I play on EthStaker, and I'm glad to have your company.